My name is Jason Crannell, and I am a member of the Tri-State Manufacturers Association Career Dream Team. I am a manufacturing engineer at ITW Heartland.
In high school, I loved math and physics, and always enjoyed working with my hands to solve mechanical problems. My interest in manufacturing stemmed from the constant maintenance and repair required to race motorcycles and the desire for better performing components. These factors drove me to pursue a career in engineering. My career opportunities in manufacturing have allowed me to live in several different states and work on a variety of different projects, including motorcycles, robotics, submarines, airplanes, and even spaceships.